Okay, here's my bike check for a 2011 Verde radia. I'm going to start up at the front, work my way to the back. Profile Mini SS front hub, Odyssey Aiken tires, Cinema 777 rims. I have a red and blue nipple pattern on the front and rear wheel. Stock forks, S&M Redneck XLT stem, Colt leader bars, ODI long neck grips, and Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. Odyssey Nightwolf seat, stock cranks, stock chain and sprocket, Odyssey twisted PC pedals with metal pins put in them. Primo Remix hub, which is pretty loud. Primo 7 Series chrome back rim with the red and blue nipple pattern. I think that's about it.